Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Fourier. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to find about f. That is about the range in here. So we use about 2b minus 0 divided by 2 and we have b. Now we apply the formula in here, and that is the formula we need to concentrate in here. So a0, that is about this one, an, that is about this one, bn, that is about this one. We know that L we just calculate in here, that is about b. So in this situation, we put b gone here, here, and here. Similar for this one. So this one we will have an S, an S, an S, an S. Now I will go to this one. We see that we have f of s. F of s, we just have that is about s. So I will put about s gone here. Similar for this one. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to 2b. And we have like this. So this one, we just have only 2b. Now, let's go to this one and this one. So for this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv, we have cosine and s, ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to 1 over n sine and s. So we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to 2b. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, and now we have the integration from 0 to 2b. So the integration of this one with the negative, we will have about positive 1 over n cosine and s, and we put the bounds from 0 to 2b. So we calculate about this one, and we have like this. Now we can do similar for the second one. And this one we have, and that should be like this. Now we go back to this one. So a0, we just calculate in here, and that is about 2b. And so we have this one multiplied by 1 over b in here. And b, and that is about this one. And we need to multiply by 1 over b. So this one we have b. Now let's put about n equals to number 1. So we put n equals to number 1 on here. 2 cosine s plus negative number 2 sine of s. Now let's put about n equals to number 2. So we will have number 1 cosine 2s, and this one we have negative number 1 sine 2s. So when n equals to number 3, this one we have 2 over 3 cosine 3s minus number 2 over number 3 sine 3s. So if we continue do this way, we will have like this. And now we put number 2 go outside. This one negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.